What's going on, miners? Chump Change XD here. Hope you're all staying healthy, having a great day. We just received a package from AAAWAVE, so thank you so much to them, but I want to open it up and see what's in it. And then I did get a package from a Discord member that I'll shout out in a few minutes. If you guys want to see that, let's do it. Alright, so let's get right to opening this guy up first, and we will see what is inside. Oh, damn. This thing's loaded up. Alright, let's see. Oh, we got some Arctic fans. That's pretty cool. Awesome. A bunch of those. Then we got, let's see. I think this is, oh, this is their new riser. Look at that. It's got the LEDs. That, it's like a meter reader, basically. It lights up as it gets power and stuff. That's so cool. And it's got 10 capacitors. It's got 6, 2, and 2. That's amazing. Damn, this thing's cool, and I'm so happy there's no Molex. It's literally just 6 pins. That's awesome. I mean, sucks for not being able to plug the fans into it, but you probably shouldn't do that anyways. Alright, let me pull all the contents out of this. It'll be way easier, and then I'll show you guys in a second. Alright, so check it out. We have the Dredge 2. So this isn't the Dredge, it's the Dredge 2. I didn't know this had the same name with just a number 2 next to it. Then we have the fans. We can fully load one of these rigs with the amount of fans they sent us, which is amazing. And then they sent us enough risers to fill these 2 frames. So I'm going to be doing a giveaway at some point. I haven't really decided what I'm going to give away yet, but when we get into building this frame and I could show you guys exactly how nice it looks, I'll show you right here on the screen. This is a picture of it. It's actually the real stackable style, and I like the fact that it kind of looks like a server case, if that makes sense. So I'm excited. I want to try this. I really can't wait. So I'm going to do this next week, early next week. We'll be building both of these. I'll stack them and I'll put all of the GPUs on the bottom rig. That way we can see if it actually acts as a server case, because if it does and you guys already have the equipment to, you know, just rebuild into these frames, why not? Don't spend the money on server cases. That's, you know, that's what it comes down to. So either way, I'll get to this next week. We'll be building that up. So that's awesome. Thank you so much, AAAWAVE, for sending this stuff over. You are fantastic. Now I have this box right here. This was sent from my man MC over in Discord, and this is supposed to be a RebTech board, but the Intel style one. So this one right here is the old version that I have. This was the one that didn't work for like the 1660 Supers and stuff like that. It only worked for the 30 series cards and AMD in general. So I want to see what this one looks like. Just get this stuff out of the way. I'm only borrowing this temporarily. This isn't to keep. I just want to do a video on it and see if it works with the 1660s. That's really my goal, because personally I haven't watched any videos that have messed around with this besides Teaspoon Miner. He has one and it works good for him, but he's using a 30 series card on it. So the one thing I noticed right off the bat is looking at the M.2 slots, like this is the shorter, fatter version, and this is a normal, like long, skinny version that goes on like your typical PC motherboard. And then also on the face of this guy, there is a little micro SD card that I assume holds HIVEOS, and it has the power button. Everything is the same from the old unit. It just doesn't have the micro SD on the older RebTech. So I mean, it's got the Ethernet, the HDMI, and the 3 USBs, literally exactly the same as the old one. So that's kind of neat. Yeah, but anyways, I can't wait to check this out. It is kind of cool too how they recessed the fan for the CPU there, and this one is like on top. I know a lot of people were switching these out with like the mini Noctua ones. Obviously you're gonna have a harder time with something like this because there is no outer casing. Weird. I wonder if this one performs better than that one, seeing as it's kind of in and the heat probably throws it through in all directions instead of face down onto this and then it has to be forced to the side. So that's kind of interesting, but I'm kind of excited for that. All right, let me go show you guys the GPUs I'm gonna be throwing in this frame. All right, so here we are, my crypto mining grow tent. As you guys can see, this rig is off, and the reason it's off Look at these 3D printed brackets. I know it's kind of hard to see, but they are literally melting forward. And I noticed the 3070 ones were getting super hot, so obviously the PLA inside this, in this fashion, isn't good, and those fans really weren't meant to do what they're actually doing. I should have like Noctua fans on there. So either way, I'm going to take these cards off, and I'm going to see inside the Dredge 2 if these GPUs can literally just have the fans removed, and if I could throw them in there and kind of treat it like a server case. I'm super interested to know if that would work. Let me know what you guys think, and stay tuned for that video. I'm super excited for it. So yeah, that's going to be the plan. Let me know if you guys think that's a good idea. Again, MC, thank you so much for sending this over, man. You're awesome. I will get it back to you as soon as possible. I just want to test some 1660s on this, and then we'll put them into here just for shits and see if it works. I mean, I doubt it, but you know what? We'll give it a shot again. Thank you so much, AAAWAVE, for sending over these Dredge 2 frames. I'm really excited to use them. I'm super interested to know if these frames are actually going to act like a server case with the amount of fans and being completely closed off on the top and the bottom once you stack them. So that's pretty interesting. And then I will be doing a giveaway of some sort with some risers. I don't know if it'll be these ones, but most likely I'll give away some of these. We did just hit a new milestone, 25K. I appreciate all you guys for that. You're all amazing. I'm not too sure when it's going to be, but we will see. I know it's just a short video today, guys. Sorry about that. I do have a lot of things to do this weekend. My daughter actually turns 3 on Saturday, so yeah, I just haven't had a chance to do anything else. But this Dredge frame, thank you, AAAWAVE, again for sending that over. I'm actually going to be taking some cardboard and putting it underneath the fans and on top of the fans to block all of the other air coming in, so it's a force that directs it straight out, just like a server case. I just think the solid bottom and it being able to be stacked is a real good feature that this frame has, but I guess only time will tell. We'll have to see. If you guys appreciated this content, please go down here, hit this like button, don't forget to subscribe, and if you haven't seen this video or this video, please go check them out, and I'll see you guys there. Peace.